going on, guys? Charge it up here. For today's video, let's go ahead and talk about the Armoured hoodie from Enginehawk. Alright, so this is the Armoured hoodie from REFERRAL/Enginehawk that came out about 3 years ago. I think 3 years ago is when I first got it. I did previously do a unboxing video, initial honest review video, and I think I did a 1 year video for this guy as well. But this is going to be the 3 year and probably the final review I do for the Armoured hoodie. Let's get into it. This particular hoodie or Armoured hoodie is the Predator. So this is the large. I ordered the large size. Now I'm about 5'11", 6 feet. I'm about 198. I also have abnormally long arms, as a lot of people tell me. But when I go shopping for clothing, jackets, they always seem to fit everywhere except for arms. This one, and I'll show you guys in a second, it does fit me nicely everywhere. And there's a little bit of play in between the jacket and my t-shirt. So I can maybe wear a hoodie or a thicker sweater for winter riding if you really need be. So this is basically how I go for a ride. I usually have a t-shirt and then the Armoured hoodie on top. I don't usually wear anything over it. However, I do have the space to do so if I really wanted to. Now, in one of my previous videos, I did come up with at least 2 negatives to this jacket. One of them was that it's not a full zip hoodie and it only zips down to like the quarter way or halfway right here. So you do have to go ahead and put it over top of your head. So it's a hoodie. Like overall, it is a hoodie. So you just gotta climb into it, obviously, and then put it on. So that is the Armoured hoodie right there. It still has the armor in there, but as you can see, arm length wise, it fits me nice. Oh man, there's a lot of buckets there already, but yeah. Arm length wise, it fits me nicely. It's got the zipper there as well, but it fits me nicely when it comes to that. And size wise, this is the large, so this fits me really well. Mind you, like I said, this is just a t-shirt underneath with the hoodie on top. I do have some play, and there is some room, so if I can put a hoodie on, I'll show you guys in a second. So that is the hoodie with another hoodie underneath if you wanted more warmth on a chilly winter ride or chilly spring or fall ride. And again, it's not very tight or cumbersome or anything like that. It just feels normal. It just feels nice. Nice and warm. 20 plus degree, 25, 30, I usually just wear this with a shirt. On the other side of the spectrum here, when it's down to about 6 or 7 degrees, once again, t-shirt and this guy, and it was actually nice and comfortable. It's pretty good from that spectrum, from 6 degrees, 7 degrees Celsius to about 25, 30. It does get hot when it gets 30 plus, just like any other jacket does, because I mean, let's be honest, it's an Armoured hoodie. So there is venting, like I mentioned, there's venting there, and there's venting on the side as well, which I'll show you guys in a second. So this is, like I mentioned, this is the hoodie without a helmet on. Let me go ahead and grab the helmet. I'll just quickly throw out my, it looks like I put away my REFERRAL helmet already, cleaned it and put it away. This one's not clean yet, but there's the helmet here. Let me just do up the strap. So as you can see, when you do the neck portion up, the zipper, it goes right underneath the helmet, so you can tuck it nicely underneath the helmet and it's out of the way. It doesn't really get in the way of you turning or anything like that. So I like that on that end here. The hood part is actually flat, which is nice. It doesn't flutter around in the air when there's wind happening or anything like that. The hoodie has a little clip on the back that you can clip down, and that keeps it nice and flat to your back, which again I think is a huge plus. Before I made this purchase for the Armoured hoodie, I was always looking for like an Armoured hoodie and not like a leather jacket or anything like that. So this is a textile leather Armoured hoodie. It's got the protection on the elbows. There used to be one in the back. I don't know where I put that, to be honest with you. And then there's the shoulder ones as well. This is a level 1 street protection, and it says that when you order it. I've had no issues with this hoodie. Again, the zippers, there are zippers everywhere. So you got 2 zippers on the hands right there. The zipper there, so you're nice and snug and protects you from the elements. Then you also got the 3 pockets, the hoodie style pockets on the side, which has 2 zippers. So that's a nice size as well. And then you have the zipper, which is right over here. It's like the pouch style, the kangaroo pouch style. And that's a pretty big size, and it has a zipper that I've never had issues with either. So all the zippers, all the pockets, everything works well. And then you also have on the side right here, you got the clips, one on each side, to make the jacket bigger, but then you can also use the zippers on the side, and there's your ventilation for your summer rides that may get a little bit hotter. There's some ventilation right there, and you get some flow going when you're riding if you really need be. I think another positive to the hoodie is you can wear this anywhere really. Like it just feels comfortable where you can actually wear it anywhere. So let's say you go to a bike meet, have to go to a mall or something and walk around. Honestly, like it's just a hoodie. To me, it's just a hoodie. I don't really see, I mean, other than the bug guts, I don't really see any difference between this hoodie and another one. And it looks good. It's a nice looking hoodie. Probably one of the reasons why I ordered it. I think I briefly mentioned this previously, but there are a bunch of bug guts from this past ride, but it's super easy to clean. Just throw it into the wash, just like with all the other clothing. Remove the protection. Removing the protection is super easy to do so. Don't clean it with the protection on there. But yeah, it's gonna be a super easy clean, which I need to do. I'll show you guys in a second. I'll remove the protection from it, and then yeah, get it ready for wash since there are a bunch of bug guts, which I did not realize. Removing the protection is super simple. Just gotta turn it inside out. And then, as you can see, it's got like the Velcro. There's the Velcro for the back piece. Just like any other jacket, you've got the Velcro for the elbow right there, and then the Velcro for the shoulder. All right, so here is the protection, shoulder and elbow. And the one thing, maybe, I mean, obviously I can add this to the negative side. It looks like the protection is actually breaking apart. Let me show you guys, if I can show you guys on the camera. So this is the left side elbow, shoulder pad right here. So there's but as you can see, it looks like it's actually breaking. So it looks like it's broken right there just from wearing it, right? So that's not good. That's kind of sad to see, because overall it's been a nice jacket, but that kind of sucks that the protection. I mean, I guess it should still be okay, but that kind of sucks. Like that sucks that doing that. This one doing it? No, this one's okay. The right shoulder one is fine. The right elbow one looks like it's broken in a couple places. Yeah, it looks like it's kind of like coming apart there. So the only thing holding that on is a little thin fiber on the back of there. So that kind of sucks. So that's the elbow, and the other elbow looks to be, oh no, there's a break right there as well. So I don't know how much longer obviously that's going to last, but it has lasted 3 years, but that's definitely a negative on that end. Could previously purchase level 2 protection, but I don't think you can from them anymore. But yeah, I guess we'll have to see how it goes. Now overall, I am super happy. Again, it's one of my favorite jackets to actually wear while riding. It's my go-to jacket right now. Now, if I missed anything about the jacket that you guys want to know, make sure you guys hit me up with a question in the comments down below, guys. I will get back to you. If I can't answer them, I will. If not, maybe I'll direct it to someone that can. All right, guys, that is my 3-year review on the Enginehawk Predator Armoured hoodie. And I think this will be my last review, considering that you probably cannot get this Armoured hoodie anymore. But yeah. All right, guys, until the next one.